So today is day 3 of the Waszp Nationals. We're here in Rutland and we started off the day kind of medium breeze, 13 to 17 knots. In the third and fourth races of the day, so the last two, the wind really picked up. We're getting gusts over 20 knots and yeah, it became pretty difficult to race.
We went down the small arm of Rutland, which provided an absolutely amazing race course. Close racing throughout. There was never a moment where you weren't within 5–10 boat lengths of another boat. The wind picked up towards the end and got close to survival conditions, and we couldn't have asked for any more.